Hello, this is Prasant and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll tell you how to make a simple Hello World GUI program in Visual Studio 2017. So we'll start by opening Visual Studio. This is the open dialog box of Visual Studio. Okay, so this is the startup page of Visual Studio. Here, when this page appears, we have to go to File, then select New Project. Over here in New Project, go to Visual Basic and select Windows Form App.NET Framework and name it as Hello World. Okay, so press OK after that. Then it will automatically create a new project naming Hello World. You will see this dialog box there, and this is the Form 1 design of Hello World. Double left click over here and you will view the code of this. Okay, so here this is the code of this form. What we have to do is that in sub part we will type over here MsgBox. So this is a short form of MsgBox, and we'll write a round bracket, then inverted commas, and then inside that inverted code actually, and we'll write the Hello World. Okay. So let us start. So we have debugged it and the build has been started. It is taking too much time to build. At last the build is succeeded. So this is the message box Hello World. We'll press OK. Here we have a close button, here we have a small OK button, so we'll press OK. You can even press close if you want, but after you press OK, this form opens. Actually I don't want this form, and no one wants this form because we don't want to code over there. So we have not coded over there, or we don't have any. So we'll type here Me.Close. Here Me.Close signifies that the form 1, this form 1 will close as I will close the Hello World message box. Means like even if you press OK or close button, this Hello World of this Hello World message box, the form 1 will close. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so here we have message box. I pressed OK and got closed. Now let's type at the close button. I pressed close and got closed. Okay. Now what if we type message box after Me.Close? If we do this, then what I think is that we won't be able to see the message box, but let us see. In this method, what actually will happen is that first Me.Close will be run and then message box will run, so it will not execute. And we can see I'm pressing start button, but the build is succeeded. It's saying ready, but it's not showing us. So the message box can't be seen because first it is closing the form and message box is running inside the form, so we can't see the message box. So this was a simple video on how to create a GUI Hello World in Visual Basic 2017. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.